Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't seen my last upload, I introduced my dad. We go on a road trip and I ask him the 3 most common questions that I get on my channel about the whole 15 and pregnant thing, and we do this in public. Go watch it. The link is down below in the description. So I've decided to stop the whole story time videos about the baby daddy drama. I thought I was ready to go into more detail about it, about what happened after the last video, but I'm not ready yet. I feel like what I have set up to this point is a big step, though. I feel a lot off my chest. So I'm just going to go back to my vlogs and my videos. A video that I do have coming up that I want you guys to know about is my patio glow up. I'm going to completely redecorate it. All I have right now are 2 wooden chairs and a little ottoman. So I'm going to make my patio look so freaking pretty. I'm excited to go shopping for all the fall stuff. I might get some October stuff depending on when I upload the video, but I just wanted to tell you guys so you stay in tune for it. Okay, so because I just introduced my dad, I thought it was the perfect time to upload this vlog. I've been wanting to tell you guys about this for such a long time. I got this car back in June, so it's been a couple of months since I wanted to tell y'all. I just didn't know how to say it. I didn't want to just like come out and say it. It might seem a little bit rude, but my dad helped me get the car. He gave me well, he didn't give me money, he lent me some money. I'm not even halfway paying him back though, and I've already given him a couple thousand, so I got a way to go. He helped me put down a way bigger down payment than I thought I was going to be able to, so the payments right now are like $290. They're really, really cheap. But I wanted to give a shout out to my dad. I love you, Dad. Thank you for the car. So for today's vlog, I wasn't able to record a whole day, but I did get Monday's night and Tuesday's night. So I'm gonna combine both nights to like make one whole video. So you're not gonna see really much of the day part, more of the night. But I hope you guys still enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Wow! Who's that baby? Let me see. Oh my goodness, you are so cute. You know that? Hey, no hagas eso, no. Cracking up. Hey, Levi, look, ready? Let me do it again, yeah?
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
¿Otra vez? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, so I got Levi ready and myself ready because we're gonna go to my parents' house, and I think we're gonna go meet my dad's brother or or my dad's cousin or something like that. They came from California, so we're gonna go and say hi. Okay guys, so I don't have much time because it looks like everyone's already here, but I have the lights off because my car has lights. It also has a bunch of features, way too many than I can even tell you guys, but you can put it to where it'll brake for you and it'll speed up for you, it'll stay in the lane for you. And it's also got the sports pedals. There's just so much about this car. I absolutely love my car. Alright guys, we are...
Look, it's a plane. It's an airplane.
It is an airplane, come on. I have our towel and we're on our way to the apartment pool. He's like so set on skipping a step.
Yes.
Good job. You scared? I love my car. Tell me again, one more time, please. Dime. A ver, dime. Let's do this, Mom.
Let's do this, Mom.
Let's do it.
Let's do this, Mom.
Okay?
Let's do this. Look at this. Open, close your eyes.
Okay.
As they close their eyes. Mom. Okay, now.
This is actually our first time coming here.
Open it.
Go. Go, baby. This is actually really cute. I should come here more often. Levi doesn't want to come in, but this is like super nice. Levi does not want to come, and I don't know why. You wouldn't use it? Okay, go for it. He wants to lay on the floor with it. That's so cute. I just renewed my lease for this place, by the way, and I feel like I take for granted that this place is really beautiful. This side of the pool has a freaking couch and a grill and a little bar, I guess. It goes from 8 feet to 3 feet.
I see it. Oh.
He's trying to get the little trash out. ¿Te quieres meter?
Sí.
¿Sí? Ok, pues.
Está miedo.
It's okay.
I can stop.
You can do it. You can do it. Okay, there you go.